be reacting to my OC's fish. And do not copy any of these OCs, please enjoy. And I won't do any much longer than these, so please enjoy. Let's start off with one of my favourites, Foxtrot. So let's just go to predicting where one of the fishing spots will be. And press hunt, and where is it gonna spawn? There it is. And let's see what I think of this. I love the sound effects on the wind gushing through. I find it really realistic. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared now. I'm scared. Okay. We've caught one from Foxtrot. Now let's carry on to the next number. This one is also one of my favourites. Her name is Brown Swirl and she is a med cat in most roleplays. I like to use her because she finds goodness and she loves Starclan. She's very, well, I just like her. She's cute and let's see what she's got to do. I love how I added the little flower accessories. They're cute. Aww. She's really cute when doing that. I love her when she does little cute things. That's why I find her as a med cat. So let's do the next number. This one is called Strawberry Swirl. She's a kitty pet that went to a clan called Wind Clan, as some of you know, and is strength and speed based on. And I like her because she is imaginative and ambitious. She was inspired by Ravenpaw and what he was like after. So let's find a spot to fish and go. I'm pretty sure this is a spot to fish, so let's have a look. Is this one? Yes, it is. Also, I just want to say, when you're hunting, do not go past that red line on your hunting meter, otherwise it will automatically stop you from hunting. You can stop this from cantering, and your max option to do this is a trot. The trot will say it will decay, but it doesn't. So I normally trot when I'm hunting to look, and I can't find any prey scents. So let's go back to the original spot and carry on. Also, I just really like doing hunting because it is a good thing to do when you're bored. That's it for now. Bye.